Okay, so now we're going to look at responses Shay can be doing. A response he can do when I get him into the omoplata position is he can roll over the shoulder of the arm that's getting omoplata. In this case, his right shoulder. So I'm going to counter it by rolling with him, but I'm rolling over my left shoulder. The dangerous part is if I roll before he rolls, I can dislocate his shoulder. So it's just one of those sensitivity drills. The minute he rolls, I need to roll right after him. So from close guard, what could go wrong? I make that cross grip. I set up my omoplata. I get into my whole grip behind the collar. Get my knee in front of his shoulder. Push through. Me end up here. Just turn this way, bro. Perfect. So let's just say I've come up. I'm about to reach for this, and now Shay starts to roll over his shoulder. I'm rolling with him. Notice the way now I end up on my back and Shay ends up in a seated position. Immediately I'm reaching through. I've got the underhook here. I'm just going to open up his lapel, pull it tight, and re-grab it behind his armpit. So now if he tries to move that way, that's his escape would be to, if I'm not controlling Shay's left arm, he's going to move this way and turn into me, yeah. So I want that key grip there. Now you just find the wrist, just turn this way, let's get this way, perfect. So this grip, that stops him turning away. And now my, obviously, omoplata stops him turning the other way. Put my right foot on the mat, and I want to get my knee towards his belt line. So you just hip out, hip out, hip out, and get my knee pointing down. Now I make the triangle, and now from there I come forward. So his right wrist is trapped behind my body. My arm comes behind, and now I just get head and arm. Plant my right foot on the mat, and now I just hip in, and we have the bicep slicer. Let's just get another angle on that. So, cross grip, bring it over my head, get outside position, start to go for the arm drag. He pushes back, I get that bend in the arm, and now we have the wizard. Once I'm here, if I choose to go for the omoplata, leg comes high, make the grip, get my knee in front of his shoulder, and then I start turning into the omoplata position. As I start to do this and Shay starts to roll, notice the way my hand's here, I'm rolling with him. So as I come up, that hand already has the collar, okay, or the lapel. Again, from there I just bring it behind, re-grip, find the wrist, hip out, hip out, hip out, get my knee pointing towards the mat. From there I like head and arm to finish, and now I can just hip in together. Let's get one more in just on that side, bro. Cross grip, bring it above my head, hip out, my knee in front of the shoulder, getting into the whole omoplata position. So as I'm here and Shay starts to roll, my left hand's already in that position where I've got that material. So you just pull the slack out of it and make the grip. Try to turn to your right, difficult. You can't go the other way because of my omoplata position. Now from there, notice the way Shay's in a seated position. Probably the hardest omoplatas have escaped now, because I'm tight, I'm controlling both sides of his body. Plant your right foot on the mat and point your knee towards the mat. Sometimes you can re-triangle the leg, but my shin is now driving into the back of his tricep. From there I just reach up and grab his head, so I have a head and arm, and then I can just hip in. And we have the bicep slicer. So that is dealing when they try to roll out of the omoplata.